So sometimes you need to make music for your various projects, and for that I use Chrome Music Lab. Yeah, so this is the link for it, I guess. And to make a music, first of all, I start by going to Melody Maker. So let's open that in another window and in new tab and Song Maker as well. So for Melody Maker now just randomly. So that's the step. Just randomly keep placing blocks and you will get your sound. So let's play. So if you like this song, you can also or wait. Then first I guess you should do something like go over here and test it in here. The number of rows are similar to columns. Okay, not columns. Number of rows are similar to the number of rows in Melody Maker. So let's go ahead and copy them. The colors are even same. Uh, Green, I guess. Okay, dark green, yellow. So dark green, yellow, red, orange, green. Red, orange, dark green. And it's the same thing. And that's very simple. Now you just need to copy this. Well, it's even easier to adjust the length of the song by changing the bars. You can write your custom number like 0. Okay, I guess points are not allowed. Will it work? Okay, 1. For example, I want one bar that is just this much. uh, the same number of columns of all these. So here is the note. Now one more thing you can do is that you can add sound effects accordingly, and there are more sound effects as well. Now when you listen it, you can, if you like that song, you can go to save. Here you have some options and even a link, and over here I guess it's cross to go back. Another thing is that you can easily share things. So suppose I can just copy this link, and well, this I have made this for a game, I guess, Flappy Square. You can see that in the second channel, and this is the melody for it. Now I guess you have 3 options: MIDI, WAV, embed code, and it's your choice. And that's it. You were currently living Attachment Studios. That's it. Yeah.